I've traveled to quite a few countries, but there was one thing in Singapore I genuinely wasn't expecting to see. As I walked through one of the MRT stations, I noticed what looked like a cleaning machine moving around on its own. So I got closer and I realized it wasn't being pushed by anyone. Just look at it. It is an independent cleaning robot, cleaning the station floor while passengers walk past as though it is completely normal. I've honestly never seen anything like this before. Look at it go. Nobody's controlling it. Nobody's walking behind it. How is this even possible? The little machine is just moving around and casually cleaning the floor all by itself. It is so strange seeing this. And what's even funnier is that nobody around me seems to care. People just walk past it like this is completely normal. Meanwhile, I'm standing here thinking, am I really watching a robot clean a train station? Coming from Africa, this completely caught me off guard. When you hear people talk about the future, this is exactly the kind of thing you imagine. Then you come to Singapore and it's just part of everyday life. If robots cleaning public spaces are already becoming normal here, it makes me wonder what else the future holds. I'm Kojo. I've traveled across the world and I break down simple questions about different countries so you can understand how things really work.